We added a restriction to your account. If I open this, we added a restriction to your account the 4th of July 2025. What this means, you can't interact with certain accounts. Why this happened? We restricted your account because of content or accounts that you've interacted with. This precaution helps our community, especially our younger users. Scroll down. Click on here that says Request Review. Take a video selfie to confirm your identity. We'll compare your selfie to photos on your profile using facial recognition. Technology. Your selfie will only be used to confirm your identity. And to keep our community safe, we'll delete your video selfie within 30 days. Click on Next. Start selfie. Take a video selfie. We need a short video of you turning your head in different directions. Tips for a good selfie. Use a well-lit area. Hold your phone at eye level. Follow the instructions on the screen. Submit your video selfie. Thanks for completing your video selfie. Submit it now to help us confirm your identity. Submit this. Uploading. This could take a few minutes. Wait. Identity confirmation in progress. We usually review your information within a few minutes. You'll receive a notification once we've made a decision. Finish. We will get back to you within 2 days. Thanks for requesting a review. Done. Again, open Instagram app and go to notification box. Instagram will send you response notification that says, "We removed a restriction from your account." If I open this, you can see that my restriction problem has been solved. If this video has helped you, don't forget like, share, and subscribe.